Okay, Nissan Navara NP300 installed for Stinger, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, 4G SIM card slot, 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM good fitting casing. So it's changed this 10.1-inch casing, OEM good fitting, and OEM Canbus socket plug and play, Canbus module to connect your original steering control and reverse camera. Reverse, original reverse camera, and add-on Underseat subwoofer, RCA, and a 10.1-inch tempered glass. Android GPS player, 10.1-inch. Setting: network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music, file manager to manage your file, 10.1-inch, no GPS, no DVD, no SD card. This comes with 2 USB slots. One USB slot we put in a drawer extension for 4G SIM card slot. Another USB you connect to your original USB slot. Split screen, square icon, long press, draw it to left right screen, close it. Nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. Okay, 10.1-inch Stinger, 2GB RAM, 10.1-inch Android player with OEM casing and OEM Canbus socket plug and play. Thank you.